This 2022 Winnebago Solis Pocket 36A is a Class B RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 17 feet 10 inches in length and features carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.